Your food today is good or not depend on you.
Ready to operate.
You are the good cook, we get the good meal. There's no choice. What we will make this morning? We will make the sweet sour fish soup, banana flour salad. We make the fresh spring roll. We make the rice paper. Punctual, very crispy pancake. 10 minutes, you had finished this one.
In today's vlog, we go to a Vietnamese cooking class. We went on a tour with Hanoi Eco-cooking class tours, which was rated #1 on TripAdvisor. Just a little side note, me and Matt do not cook anything. Like, sometimes we'll cook pasta, but when I say cook pasta, I mean boil pasta in a pan. Just throw some cheese on top. So we're definitely not chefs, but we really like Vietnamese food, so we were excited to try and cook it ourselves. And as you'll see in the vlog, it actually turned out quite well. But the first thing that we did on the cooking class was they take you on a tour of the market. I mean, you don't actually buy the produce that you're going to use, but they show you where like Vietnamese people will buy their food as opposed to like we buy it at a supermarket. They have big markets with fish and meat and frogs and everything. But yeah, so here's where we go to the market.
We're at the local market getting food. That's fresh.
That's the trick. Fresh man, doesn't smell. I can't smell it. Yeah, that's what I mean. I can't smell it unless my nose is just overwhelmed.
You should eat this one before leaving Hoi An. Khao lao noodle. Khao lao. The water to make khao lao from the valley well, that's well 1,200 years. The local people, they take the water to make khao lao. Nowhere in Vietnam you find that one, only in Hoi An. That's it, just the rice noodle, but the water to make khao lao has to take from the valley well. So that is the reason 99% Vietnamese, they don't know khao lao. More than 50% of the people in Hoi An, they never take khao lao before. Khao lao noodle. The best khao lao behind your hotel. Sticky rice, they wrap in banana leaf. They cook 20 hours. Sticky fish. Tuna. Shark. Frog.
Then after the market, we got into the minibus that they picked us up in, and we went probably about 15-20 minutes outside of Hoi An to the place where the actual cooking school was.
So you eat what you cook yourself. Just to say to you, this will be a test to see who's the best cook out of me or I can smash it.
I think so.
Oh, this looks cool. This is cool.
And we went on some coconut boats.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You're knocking the hat. We have completed our dweeby look.
So the part of the tour that was the coconut boats was what made this tour unique from the other tours that are available. So if you go to Hoi An, there's a lot of cooking classes available. Like every hotel, every restaurant will offer a cooking class, but the reason we chose this one was because you got this coconut boat excursion, and it basically, you went in these coconut shaped boats and you went fishing for crabs, purple crabs that had like purple claws.
Oh, yeah, bacon. Do you like bacon crabs?
Okay, just give us fishing heads with bacon on. Why do they like bacon?
I know, they just do.
Everyone likes bacon.
Who doesn't like bacon?
Yeah.
Got him.
Got it. Nice. Oh, he fell. He escaped.
Oh, you got something there.
Purple crabs. I don't know if they've just got purple claws or entirely purple. That other one looked quite purple. Yeah. Oh, he's got one.
Hey, look at his claws. They're so small. They're not. Can't be worth eating.
Got it.
And he didn't even get his piece of pork.
Oh, he's a feisty one.
And then we had to go out fishing them ourselves. We watched our guy do it like 3 or 4 times and he caught a crab. And then me and Matt both had to go and we didn't catch anything. They just kept letting go.
Go on, Shiv, you go.
He used to grab on with his claws.
He's got it, he's got it. Oh,
That's his legs.
you not got this
His
skill.
grabs with his claws have got it. I think they're smart, don't they? They are smarter than me.
You're not good at it. Can I have a go?
Yeah, go for it. He's learned, he knows what's going on.
Oh. He's not.
Give him a minute to bite while you pull him.
It's funny how it's like idyllic, beautiful, 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 big massive building site, beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Matt finally found a hat big enough to fit his massive head.
It's nice to start wearing these.
And then after the coconut boats, where we got lots of great footage on our Canon G7X, we went to the actual cooking class, which is what we turned up for, and the camera died. So the next lot of footage of the actual cooking class was all filmed on an iPhone, so please excuse the audio and the quality. The best part about the cooking class really though was the guy that was like the head chef of it all. He'd sort of adopted this comical personality where he seemed like maybe like he was trying to model himself off Gordon Ramsey or something. He was like, no shit, like he was really quite funny.
Thank you.
Your food today is good or not depend on you. You are the good cook, we get the good meal. There's no choice. What we make this morning? We will make the Swiss style fish sauce. Fish sauce. Actual fish sauce. We make the fresh spring roll. Yeah, yes, yeah, like that. Yes, okay. Yeah, like that. When the rice come. Right. 먹어주세요.
One. Okay.
Yeah, very good. In the middle.
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
And where's the spoon thing this thing? Right there. And the water's in there when you pull up the pot top. Right, right.
That's fun.
Yeah.
When you see the water drop like this
Yes,
already,
that means it's
yeah.
ready. Well, okay.
So dip it in the water first.
Oh, nice.
Smooth.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
This side, this side,
This side.
this side, and you're
Okay.
rolling. Oh my God.
Oh, he's rolling.
Yeah, a little bit more, please. More. Yeah. Okay. Yes, all of us. Start from the middle. Wow, wow, look at that. Yes.
Nice.
The lick on, please. Yes. Excuse me, this is traditional ways. Now we have the machine to make it not by hand, one by one like this. The machine is long. And we have another machine, we cut, it's become the middle. Wow. Wow. Yes.
This is the difficult bit.
Your stick first. Okay, rolling. She came here yesterday. It's very into your food for your food this smell. So now you have a chopped garlic.
Shiv's poor attempt at chopping.
Well, it worked. Go for it.
You know it's good.
Nice.
Spring onion, coconut milk,
Turmeric.
kem phấn, cam hoa, turmeric.
Is that just for color?
Yes. Western, they call this is curcuma. Where you from?
England.
Turmeric.
No, yeah, turmeric.
Use this one under more than half for the pancake.
Okay, I move the tape for you for a moment.
And then the best part of the tour came along was where we sat and ate all the food that we cooked. So it was way too much for one person, but we managed. And then later that day we went to the airport and we got Burger King as well. So, you know, maybe we weren't that full.
That makes a lot more sense now.
Yes. You do the rice also.
So this is what we got.
Yep.
Chicken.
Thank you so much.
You need this one.
Thank you, sir.
And this one for you too. Thank you. These are amazing.
This is the correct way to eat a banjiao, which is these things.
And if I liked fish sauce, I would dip it, but I don't like fish sauce. So.
So you wrap it in rice paper and lettuce.
It's just so good.
How's it?
Wow, nice.